Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 5th of April, where we did a basket high and wind, double ringer, hatch catch, and a first move triple step. So, if you need a more detailed teach of any of those moves, links are in the description below. This is just a reminder of how everything went together. So, starting with the basket high and wind, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. We go offer, wrap, back, forwards, roll over the top, looks like a piece of an octopus, to set us up for the double ringer, where we go prep, round 1, round 2, and face. During the return, switch to the right hand, hatch catch, we came in, spun through into the first move, allowing us to go straight to the triple step and back. Did it in a diamond. It finishes just like a first move, and if you needed to go back to the top, you'd go back to two hands with a little twist, ready to get back into the basket high and wide. Hope you like that, hope you find it useful. Music recommendation of something nice to practice to on the end. As always, we really appreciate everybody who likes and subscribes, because it helps boost the visibility of the channel, so thank you to everybody who does that. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.